This is crazy. We get a lot of snow here. Probably more than a foot of snow. He just got off the bus. But he doesn't have boots, and I do have boots, so I thought your bus was stuck.
It was.
No, over here?
Yeah.
And then he
Not
was...
over here, but down.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the school bus he said was stuck. Just got off the bus here. Alright. I'm gonna show you around here. You can go in because you don't have
Pause it
boots.
for a second.
So I'm gonna show you the streets here. I got boots. Got more than a foot of snow here. Looks beautiful, but it's not that cold. When it's snowing, storming, usually it's not cold. Alright, give us a like, subscribe if you want to. You can see cars are going pretty slow here. And subscribe, leave a comment if you want to. Peace out. Winter storm in Minnesota. You like storms? Let me know.